In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a WordPress page. Whether you're looking to make a page private for a temporary update, restrict access to sensitive content, or simply keep things organized on your website, knowing how to hide a page in WordPress is a valuable skill. It's quick, simple, and gives you full control over who can view your content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to adjust your page visibility settings, and you'll be able to make a page private or public with ease. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your WordPress username and password, and then click the login button to access your account. Alternatively, if your WordPress account is linked to Google, you can click Continue with Google instead. Simply select the Google account associated with WordPress, and you're good to go. Keep in mind, if it's your first time logging in this way or you've recently cleared your browser's cache, you might need to confirm your choice by clicking Continue one more time. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. If you're not automatically directed to the My Home section, locate it in the menu on the left-hand side and click on it. Now that you're in the My Home section, let's move into the Pages area, where you can manage all the pages on your site. Look for Pages in the left-hand menu and click on it to open the list of pages on your site. Here, you'll see all the pages that you've created. Scroll through the list and find the page you want to hide. Once you've identified the page, click on it to open its editing options. This will take you to the page editor, where you can make changes to the content and settings of that specific page. Now, let's adjust the visibility settings for this page. Near the top of the editor, either right by the page title or within the page settings panel, look for a section labeled Status or Visibility. Next, click on the Publish drop-down menu. This will reveal additional visibility options for your page. Here, you'll see three main options: Public, Private, and Password Protected. To make the page private, select the Private option. Choosing this setting ensures that only you and any other administrators or editors on your site can view the page. It's a great way to restrict access to sensitive or unfinished content while keeping it saved on your site. Once you've selected Private, confirm the change by clicking the appropriate button to save or update your page settings. And that's it. Your page is now hidden from public view. If you ever need to make this page visible to everyone again, simply repeat these steps and select Public instead of Private. This will restore the page's accessibility to all visitors. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. It's a good habit to periodically review your private pages. You can decide whether they need to be updated, deleted, or eventually published, depending on your website's goals. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to hide a WordPress page and control who has access to your site's content. If you have any questions about this process or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.